Hi, I am Rahman from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome to my channel, where I upload couple of accounting tutorials weekly. Today our topic is depreciation account. In this lesson, I'll show you how to prepare fixtures and fittings account. So let's get started. Okay, today first of all we'll see some procedures how to prepare this account, the process, and then we have an example. We'll solve this example here. Okay, very good. So first of all, what items are included in the asset account? Means here we have fixtures and fittings account. What is this? It is a non-current asset or fixed asset. Okay, so here in the fixed asset there are three items will be included. First of all, opening balance. If there is any opening balance in the question, we have to write first of all. Then if there is any purchase of new asset, means fixture and fittings, then we have to record it. Later, if there is any disposal, means the sale of non-current asset. So in this case, we have to record it here also in this account. Okay, so here look at these 2 points. Number one, purchase of asset. Here our asset is fixtures and fittings. Remember, it is a non-current asset. Okay, so when we purchase, when business purchases a non-current asset, how to record, what entries business make? Okay, here the debit will be the asset accounts, means here fixtures and fittings account, and the credit is bank or cash. After purchasing, if money is paid by check or by bank, we have to write here bank, and if it is paid in cash, then we have to record cash. There may be other proceeds. Maybe this asset is purchased on credit. In this case, we need to write the supplier's name. Okay, very good. Then number 2 here, sale of non-current asset, means disposal. Okay, in this case, debit will be the disposal account and credit account will be the asset. Okay, the non-current asset. Okay, so if you remember these 2 things, then it will be very easier for you to prepare this ledger. Now come here, we have written here asset is debit balance. What do you mean? It means that asset comes debit side of the trial balance. Okay, it has a debit balance. So when you prepare any kinds of asset account, means non-current asset account, we have to write opening balance on the debit side. Okay, as it has debit balance. Very good. Now come to the point, come to the format here. Here we have a date, detail and dollar columns. Same here, date, detail and dollar columns. So we did not insert here folio column. Okay, if you want you can insert, no problem. So here we have 3 columns. These are credit columns. Okay, and here also we have 3 columns, date, detail, dollar. These are debit column. Okay, very good. So now we have an example. Let us take a look at there. Okay, on 1st January 2021, General Store Limited had fixtures and fittings which had cost $31,500. Okay, on 1st March 2021, it paid by check for new fixtures and fittings $7,400. Okay, and sold all fixtures and fittings with an original cost of $6,000. There was no profit or loss on this disposal. Okay, General Store Limited provides for depreciation on fixtures and fittings at a rate of 30% per annum on the straight-line basis. Okay, it provided a full year's depreciation in the year of purchase and none in the year of disposal. Okay, so here in the question we have opening balance. Okay, then we have a purchase, new purchase of fixture and fitting. Okay, and there is a disposal as well. So old fixture is here disposed. Okay, then what is our requirement here? Let us have a look at the question. Prepare the fixtures and fittings account for the year ended 31st December 2021. balance the account and bring down the balance on 1st January 2022. Okay, so here we need to balance, we have to extract closing balance, then we have to bring down the balance for next financial period. Okay, so here in the question, first of all we have opening balance. Yeah, on 1st January 2021 the cost of fixture and fitting was $31,500. Yeah, so it is an opening balance. So here already you know asset has debit balance, so this is the opening balance, it will have debit balance, so we will write on the debit side. Okay, so we have to write the date first, 2021. Okay, here we will write the name of the month, it is January 1st. Okay, so here we will write balance BD. Okay, balance BD, you all know BD means brought down. Okay, so here the amount is $31,500. Yeah, okay, then let us have a look at the question once again. Here on 1st March 2021 it paid by check for a new fixture and fittings $17,400. Okay, so here one more asset is purchased. Okay, so when new asset is purchased, what you write? We write debit the asset account, credit the bank or cash. Okay, so here money is paid by check, so we will write bank. Okay, debit the asset account. What is asset here? Fixture and fittings. We are doing fixture and fittings account. It is here debited. Yeah, so we will write on the debit side. Okay, so let us write the date first, 2021 March 1st. Okay, so here money is paid by check, we will write here bank. So the amount is here $17,400. Okay, so I repeat, here asset is debit. Okay, asset is here fixture and fittings, it is debited, so we come on the debit side, but we wrote the opposite account, the corresponding account, which is here bank, so we wrote here bank. Okay, good. Then we have here and sold all fixture and fittings with an original cost of $6,000. Okay, there was no profit or loss on this disposal. Okay, so here old fixture and fitting is disposed. Yeah, means sold. Okay, so sale of asset, the debit account is disposal account and credit account is the asset account, means the fixture and fittings account. Another way you can say, when fixture and fitting is sold, in this case fixture and fitting is decreased. Yeah, decreasing in non-current asset is credit. Okay, that means here non-current asset will be credited, so we wrote here on the credit side. Okay, now question is what account we are doing? We are not doing disposal account, we are doing fixture and fittings account, so it is here credit, so we will go to the credit side. Okay, and we will write the corresponding account which is disposal here. Okay, so let us write the date first, it is same date 2021 March 1st, so we will write here disposal account. Okay, so here the amount is $6,000. So these are three items will be included in the asset account. When you prepare this account, don't forget, there is nothing more. Sometimes we see students enter here depreciation, never write depreciation in the asset account. Okay, so only these three things. Okay, now what to do? In the requirement we are required to balance it. Okay, how to balance it? Don't worry, it is quite simple, very easy. So here to balance it, first of all we have to check the greater column. Okay, here we have two dollar columns, on the debit side one and on the credit side another one. So if we compare debit column to the credit, so we get debit column is greater, yeah, greater in value. Okay, very good. So now if we add this $31,500 plus $17,400, what we get? We get here $48,900, yeah, the addition of this debit column. Okay, now we will take this total to the opposite side here on the credit side. So if you write here same amount, $48,900. Okay, now what to do? We have to subtract this amount. Now what to do? We need to subtract this amount, this disposal amount, which is $6,000, from $48,900 to know the closing balance of fixtures and fittings account. Okay, so here $48,900 minus $6,000 equal to $42,900, yeah. Okay, now what is this amount called? This is the closing balance, yeah. So this is balance CD, means balance carried down. So let us write here balance CD means carried down. Okay, so the date for balance CD means the date for closing balance is the last day of the financial period. This business started on 1st January 2021. So financial year ends on 31st December 2021. Yeah. So let us write here 2021 December 31st. Okay. So now we are required to bring down the balance, yeah, for 1st January 2022. Okay, so here balance CD on the credit side, balance PD will be the opposite side, means here on the debit side. Okay, so let us write here balance brought down means here balance PD, the amount is $42,900, same amount. Okay, this and this amount must be same. Okay, and the date for balance BD is 2022 January 1st. Okay, here it is next financial period. Okay, so here balance PD, if the date for balance PD is not given, you have to write the date for this balance PD. Okay, what date? Date will be the first day of next financial period. Okay, don't forget, don't make mistake here. Okay, and here for balance CD means for the closing balance, we have to write the last day of the financial period. Don't forget. So this is how you have to prepare any kinds of asset account, means non-current asset account. It is quite simple if you can remember this. Okay, these 3 points here. Okay, here asset is debit balance, and these 2 points purchase and sales of non-current asset. Okay, so if you understand this question here, you can solve many questions. Okay, whatever non-current asset is given in the question, maybe fixture and fittings, furnitures, machineries, equipment, motor vehicles, whatever, you will be able to do it. Okay, so this is all about your today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed and understood this lesson. If you think that this video is helpful for you, please share it with your friends, and please consider subscribing to my channel, because there are so many accounting tutorials. Those will help you to learn accounting, to understand accounting, to prepare yourself for your exam or test. I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.